Alrighty, YouTubers, I am back again. It is Tuesday, March 6th. We have an unboxing to do for my good friends over at keysmart.com. Check them out. The links are going to be down below where you can purchase one of these. Now, this is something useful in case you guys ever lose your keys and all that good stuff. This thing, I'll show you what it does. Here we go. Bada boom. Alright. Now this is a key catch. Key hanger. You can hang your keys up to 3 pounds. Oh. And tablet you can hang. Keys. Hammers. Anything with a magnet. Maybe some picture frames. Be kind of cool. Easy to install. Here's the key ring. It's got a loop it on it. On the magnet part. Sticky. One bonus free. And now this is the main course right here. Key Smart with Tile Smart Location. See? Boom. Oh, whoa. Bottle opener. LED flashlight. Expandable. Here we go. I gotta download the app, so I gotta have to charge my phone and do that. Key Smart. 3 months. Wow. That's crazy. 3 months charge. Here's that. Never lose your keys again. Open me already. Remote. Boom. Here's the inside. Find your phone. Wow. This thing's crazy. Indicator, title button, flashlight, loop ring, organizer. Okay, open time. Let's take a look at this bad boy. Here's that. Please charge it before use. Okay, so I'm going to have to charge it up and maybe somehow do like a recap. Oh, this is nice. Lightweight. Oh, come on. Focus. Here we go. Bada boom. Bottle opener. Can opener. Really cool. There's a USB. Goes in there. There we go. Oh, come on. Focus again. Maybe it's too white. And a little bit better. You guys can see it. There's that. There's the back side. There's the bottle opener. Extra key loops. This should be fun. Like I said, you guys could get one at low cost. All you gotta do is click down the links below. I think I might have to charge it. Huh. Yep, I'm gonna have to fully charge it up and then do the second part once I get the app. Be right after this. See ya. Alrighty, YouTubers, I'm back with the tile demo. I installed the app. Charging up enough right now. I'm gonna unplug it. Let me put you down for 1 sec. It's kind of hard to do one-handed. Hold on 1 sec. Sorry about that. There we go. Boom. Oh, there's a light. Supposed to be a really bright light. Pretty cool. I go on the app. There's a tile. I gotta log in. I show the password. Give me 1 second as soon as I load this up. Almost there. There we go. Enable location. Allow. Find your phone. Got it. Whoa. Location unavailable. There it is. Whoa. See your phone's current location. Alright. Computer. Alright, download it. Okay, mouse. There we go. There we go. Place a key next to your phone. Okay. Whoa. Boom. We did it. Okay. Ha! Awesome. Yay, I did it. So in case I'm on my tablet and I can't find my cell phone, just click on your phone. Or if you can't find your keys, you could program Alexa, find my keys.
I recommend retracing your steps.
Oh, sometimes she talks dirty. I don't know. But, I guess I gotta set the voice up a little bit different for this. Whoa. Nearby. Awesome. This is definitely useful. Like I said, all I gotta do is follow them. And their website's right there. Kind of catchy ringtone. They got other things. 16 gig nano pen, screwdriver, pocket clip. Okay, turn that down a little bit. And then quick disconnect. And there's your Twitter or Facebook. KeySmart and KeySmart. Twitter. KeySmart. And then Insta. Check them out. Boom. Like I said, though, this is a really cool device. I'm really happy to show you guys what they have to offer. And like I said, click away down below and get one at a low cost. Alright, YouTubers, thanks for watching. Be safe and see you back tomorrow.